Good morning, Year 1. Our learning objective for our maths lesson today is to make equal groups from a specific amount. Let's get ready for maths then. Let's warm up our brains. Okay, Year 1. We're going to start off by using our 100 square to help us count backwards in tens. We're going to start from the number 100, which is down here at the bottom. Can you see? Are you ready? Let's start. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Well done if you managed that. Okay, Year 1. We're going to play ping pong now to practice our number bonds to 10. I'm going to say a number and you're going to think what number you can add to it to make 10. Okay, let's have a practice first. If I say 8, what number do we add to 8 to make 10? Have a think. Use your fingers to help you if you need to. Let's check. Okay, I say 8, you say 2. Did you get that right? I hope you did. Okay, let's try some more. I say 5, you say 5. Did you get that right? Well done if you did. I say 6, you say 4. Well done if you got that one right too. I say 9, you say 1. Well done if you got that right. I say 3, you say 7. Did you guess the right number? I say 10, you say 0. Well done if you managed to guess all the right answers. Right, Year 1, let's move on to the main part of our maths lesson now. Today we are going to learn to make equal groups from a given amount. Okay, before we start, there are some things we need to think about. What is an equal group? How do we know if something is equal? Can all amounts be shared or divided into equal groups? You can have a chat to your grown-up about these things. Pause the video while you do that. Right, Year 1, you may remember that the word equal means the same. So if we are going to make equal groups, we must have groups that have the same number of things in them. Look at these socks, Year 1. They are all muddled up. How many socks can you see all together? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 socks all together. Right, Year 1. We have 8 socks all together. We need to find how many equal groups of 2 we can make with these socks. Have a look at the next picture to find out. Okay, Year 1, we can now see equal groups of 2. How many groups are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 equal groups of 2. We can see 4 equal groups of 2. Right, year 1, have a try of this. If you had 10 socks, how many equal groups of 2 socks or pairs could you make? Perhaps you could find 10 socks to help you work out the answer. You may even like to take a photo of it and send it to me in Google Classroom. Okay, year 1, now it's your turn to make even more equal groups. Here are the activities for today, year 1. First of all, you have to find 20 objects to help you and then choose from one of the following activities. Activity A. With your 20 objects, find out how many equal groups of 2, 5 and 10 you can make. Take photos of each set of equal groups. You could make it into a pic collage. If you prefer, you can choose activity B. With your 20 objects, find out how many equal groups of 2, 5 and 10 you can make. Then complete these sentences. I can make blank equal groups of 2. I can make blank equal groups of 5. I can make blank equal groups of 10. Where you see the blank space, that's where you write the number of equal groups that you have made. For activity C, first of all you need to do activity A and then complete this table here, the bottom, which is also on Google Classroom. Okay, year 1, it's up to you to decide which activities you'd like to do. Plenary. You can choose to answer one or both questions. If I had 21 objects, could I make equal groups of 2, 5 or 10? Explain your answer. Could I make any equal groups? Explain your answer. I'll look forward to hearing your explanations, year 1, for this final maths problem today.